What's up guys, it's Zach, and today we're going to be unboxing the Beats Studio Buds. They just came out today. These are the red ones. They come in white, red, and black. And so yeah, let's go ahead and just jump in real quick, and we'll see, or I'll drop them on the floor. So, I'm going to go ahead and pull these. Well, there's a little pull tab, and then they just open up at the top. You pull them out. Alright, we got fast fuel, it says here. And it'll give you 5 minutes of charging equals 1 hour. And it's USB-C to USB-C. Okay. And it says great sound starts with a proper fit. So there's ear tips inside, so that way you can go through all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and open those up. Let's see what we got. You also get a bunch of paperwork, and then all of the things that tell you what each thing means. So that's kind of cool. All right. So complete your beats with Apple Music. Try it free. Okay. And surprise, surprise, there's an Android logo. Wouldn't expect that from an Apple company. But it seems like they were really trying to integrate Beats the same way that they do on Beats on Android, the same way that they will on iPhone. So there will be nothing different, I don't believe, from going from this to Android. Except for the assistant that you're using, which is really cool to see that kind of integration from Apple. But you don't get the wireless chips that you get in AirPods, so do remember that. So yeah, just a booklet telling you everything, a Beats sticker, and that's it. Just some more Beats. Alright, so inside the ear tip thing, which I gotta hurry, my camera is giving me, it's flashing. Okay, one fell off, but they're small and large. So unlike AirPods AirPods Pro, where it comes with 3, this one comes with the 4, or with 2 sizes. I'm sorry. Okay, so now let's get the buds. Super cool casing. And this is a pretty thick piece of plastic or cardboard. And then yeah, so here's the case. USB-C. And those beauties. Alright. I'm going to charge my camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so these are the AirPods Pros. Lightning. Little buds. I like how light the AirPods Pro and how small the case is. So here's the Beats again. Sorry, that's not what I wanted to do. So here they are again. And here are the AirPods Pro. Okay. These. Not sure. Honestly, I'm not sure which ones I prefer. I kind of like this case. I really like the red color. If Apple could make AirPods in red, that would be fantastic. But I'm now going to try to put them in my ear and see how they feel. I will say, the magnets in here are really, really, really good. So I can kind of tug on them, and then as you can see there's a little magnet. Alright. And it actually says on there, there is an R. So you will know, even if you just lay them down, which ones they are. Oh, and they made a little sound. And the noise cancellation actually sounds really good. I will use these for some time and do a review on them. So far, I really like them. I don't know if I'd give up certain features that the AirPods Pro give, and plus I like to talk a lot, so I'm not sure how well without the stem the Beats are going to do. So that's going to be something that I have to look into, because obviously you have a stem and it can kind of point the mic that way, whereas this one it doesn't. So you'll just have to tell me which one's more stylish. As you can see, I like red, so I would really like the red, but yeah, not sure. Okay, so that brings me to the end of the unboxing and my first impressions. I will listen to them. I know I'll have to see if spatial audio. I don't think if they do have it, which I don't think they do. They're not going to be near as good as these, where if I'm watching something on like Disney Plus and I can like listen to the audio space. But I will let you know in the full review. So go ahead, if you have any questions, put them in the comment section so I can make the review at least worth watching. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Don't forget, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So, thanks guys.